Hi, I'm Sharon and welcome back to the Sharoni channel. Today I have gone back to good old Too Good To Go. I just love it actually. For those who don't know, Too Good To Go is an app that specialises in stopping food going to waste. So once you've opened the app, you'll see there's different places you can see. At the top where it says Sandwell, tap on there. You can alter the radius of mileage that you're prepared to travel, and it shows you how many are available. And then come back out and there's your choices. You can see there's different sections. And if we just open up one for a little look, here we open the harvester, and it just gives you a bit more information, their star rating, what sort of thing you can expect in the bag. So yeah, it's really easy to use. Give it a go. And just to point out, it's always a surprise because obviously they don't know what they're going to have left. So when you turn up, you don't know what you're going to get. So for me, I don't eat meat. It can be a bit risky. I have had a couple of things not go so well. If you're interested, take a look at some of my other videos. Which one was it now? The Toby Carvery breakfast, vegetarian breakfast, didn't go so well. So today I have got a Starbucks bag here, and I've been waiting for one of these for ages, and they either don't come up very often, or the ones that do come up, they're a little bit further away or don't tie in with days when I'm at work, which is nearer to a Starbucks. But today, as I was finishing work, I had a quick look on the app, and there was one 10-minute walk away from where I work. So I have snaffled it up. This one cost me £3.29, and it's said to have a value of food items of £10.75, I think it was. Starbucks is a bit pricey, so for that, I'm expecting maybe 2 or 3 items, but not much more. It's not a very big bag. It's got a bit of weight to it. And I really hope there's a nice sandwich in there because Paul's out tonight. I've got the house to myself, can't be bothered to cook any tea. So if there's a tasty sandwich in there for me, that would be perfect. So let's dip in, let's see what we've got. We'll have a look at that piece of paper later. I think that lists everything. So first thing is panini. Oh, it's a festive panini. I'm guessing Paul will like this. It's got sliced turkey, beechwood smoked bacon, turkey gravy, sage and onion stuffing, cranberry sauce on a ciabatta panini. Can you see that? So obviously no good for me, but I think Paul will find that tasty. What's the date on it now? It is today's date, so I mean he's out tonight, so whether he eats that I don't know. I might throw that in the freezer and then he can have it another time. Let's see. What's this one? Beyond Meat breakfast sandwich result. So this has got a juicy plant-based Beyond Breakfast sausage patty with signature tomato relish, tofu turmeric egg alternative, and a slice of coconut oil-based cheese alternative. That is my tea tonight. That sounds delicious actually, and probably the sort of thing I might not buy myself. And that's one of the reasons I really like Too Good To Go, because often you get things in the bag that you wouldn't think to buy yourself, because I don't know if you're like me, you go for the same old, you know what you like, and you buy what you like. You go in and you think, oh, what shall I have? Shall I have something different today? And then you just end up buying the same. So for me, this is hopefully going to be something new that I'm going to enjoy and be able to add to things I like from Starbucks. And one more. What's this one? Smoked bacon roll. Hickory smoked back and streaky bacon served on a classic soft roll. So I don't know if you can see in there, looks to be plenty of bacon. Nice soft roll. Again, today's date, so I might stick that in the freezer. That was the vegan one. Let me see. No cake. I was hoping, having the house to myself, there might be a nice little bit of cake in there that I could enjoy, but there's not. So healthy tea it is, and there's nothing wrong with that actually. That's probably what I should be doing. Let's see what this paper is. Okay, so this lists, oh, this is good. It's got cooking instructions. So if you have got panini, mac and cheese, porridge, egg bites, it tells you how to reheat them. So that's a really useful piece of information actually. So is it worth £3.50? Yes, absolutely. Would it have been worth £10? I mean, I like Starbucks, but I do find it overpriced. I probably wouldn't spend the kind of prices they're asking for these things. But I'm definitely going to enjoy that for my tea tonight. Whether Paul eats these or they go in the bin, I'm not sure. I might stick them in the freezer so that they are good to go. I hope they're freezable actually. Probably doesn't say, does it? Because it's not meant to be bought for. So yeah, good variety of sandwiches. Glad there's something vegetarian in there and it's not all meat. A little bit disappointed there's no cake or sweet treat or maybe a pastry that I would have done for my breakfast tomorrow, but can't complain. It is a leftovers bag, and if that's not what they've got left over, or that's what they know they're going to sell the most of, then of course they're not going to put it in their too good to go bag. I'm going to pop a link in the description for Too Good To Go. So if it's something you've not used before, do take a look. It's a really good way of stopping food waste. You know, these items probably would have gone in the bin at the end of the day. This one definitely isn't now. Hopefully these two won't, because then that sort of defeats the object, doesn't it? So that's made my mind up. I'm definitely going to freeze them. So that's 3 items that we've saved from the bin. So yeah, take a look at Too Good To Go. Highly recommend it. Great way of reducing food waste. Great way of keeping the bills down as well, because basically I've spent like £1 odd per sandwich, which is great. Anyway, I hope you're all well. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.